Following our Getting Started tab instructions, we're going to begin by adding our first products, ingredients, and materials. Adding these key items is the first step in organizing your production costs. If you are working with the non-food and beverage spreadsheet, you'll only have materials to add. Starting with ingredients, you'll see that there are existing items pre-installed. Feel free to overwrite these elements by typing over them. In fact, you can overwrite all information connected to the 2 pre-installed products as we go through this series. For my demonstration, I will leave the information as is. For now, I will add the details of my product's ingredients. For this demonstration, I will be adding milk chocolate truffles. If you are using the fulfillment spreadsheet, you'll also want to add the inventory of all of your raw materials if you have it on hand. Raw materials are any basic materials used to create your products. The completion of this step is optional. Regarding the percent waste column, I want to choose a number that reflects the amount of raw materials that gets left behind or is unusable. For instance, it's challenging to scoop out all of the peanut butter from its container. If you're wondering how to choose the percent waste, a good practice is to weigh the materials at full capacity and compare it to the weight after it has been used. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a fixed value of 5%. Moving on to the Materials tab, I will also enter in the details. Now that we've added all of our raw materials, let's move on to the next step and add our product's recipe and packaging.